Hey there, so you have purchased one of these amazing black and white check race themed Starbursts, and every one is unique, every one is one of a kind. But when you have purchased yours, it comes flat, and this is what it looks like put together. So this video is to show you how to do that. You will have two pieces of Velcro on either end. You'll see that on both sides, and when you put it together, you'll have this easy way of unfastening it, folding it back up, and putting it away for the season. So you have Velcro on both sides, ribbon to tie it at the top, and when you open it up, you just gently put your hand in each of these end bags and open it up, press it together, tie this off to hang it if you like, and voila! Make sure you press good to get that Velcro going in there. And there you go. You have this really fun party decor addition to your month of May. So enjoy.